So for x, 8 to the power of x is equal to 16. Solution: we know 8 to the power x is equal to 16. This means that 8 to the power x is equal to 8 times 2. Okay, now we're going to divide this side by 8 and divide here by 8. So at this level, we have 8 to the power x divided by 8 will be equal to 8 times 2 divided by 8. Okay, we can cancel this and cancel this. That means we have here 8 to the power x divided by 8 will be equal here to 2. Okay, we know that you have a to the power of n, all this divided by a to the power of m. This is equal to a to the power of n minus m. This means 8 to the power of x divided by 8 is equal to 8 to the power of x divided by 8 is t 8 to the power x divided by 8 to the power 1 and is equal to 8 to the power x minus 1. Okay, coming back to this, 8 to the power of x divided by 8 is equals to 2, implies that 8 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 2. Okay, at this level, we know that 8 is equals to 2 cubed. This means I'll have 2 cubed, all this to the power x minus 1 will be equal to 2. Okay, we know that if you have a to the power n, all this to the power of m, this is equal to a to the power n times n. That is 2 to the power 3, all this to the power x minus 1 is equals to 2 to the power 3 x minus 3. Okay, 2 cube, all this to the power x minus 1 is equals to 3, implies that 2 to the power 3x minus 3 is equals to 2. Sorry, here it is 2. Sorry, here is 2. Is equals to 2. Okay, so we have a to the power n is equals to a to the power m. This means that n is equal to m. Okay, we have 2 to the power 3x minus 3, which is equal to 2 to the power 1. Using this formula, we have 3x minus 3 will be equal to 1. So 3x will be equals to 1 plus 3. That is 3x will be equals to 4 and x will be equals to 4 divided by 3. Okay, this was all for this video. I hope you love it and don't forget to subscribe.